Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mack Mallard for migration. So let's get started. To draw this cute duck, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. Start up nice and high and bring it down and around and connect. Then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw the same thing. There. And if you can slightly lean it towards each other, but it doesn't really matter. So now that we have these two big ovals in, I'm going to come inside towards this edge and in this middle, in the center, I'm going to draw another oval right about here. And same thing here. Be a circle or an oval, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to make mine a little bit longer. There, and then we're going to add a highlight right here. So just put a little circle and then shade everything else in. And same thing here. There, and then from there, before I before I start with the mouth, I'm just going to come up here and just thicken up the top curve right here, just to anchor the eyes a little bit more. Okay, there. Very subtle, but just a little bit darker towards the top. Then from there, let's draw the beak. So I'm going to come right between the eyes and about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. And then we're going to come down. So I'm going to come down on this side, say about there, and same thing over here. And then then we need to come over here, and then we're going to round this part off. There's two parts to it, so we're going to round it off. Then come in and then round it off again, but thicker this time. So same thing over here. Round it off, go around, and then round it off again. And then we're just going to connect everything right here, the curve, and we're going to go in towards the center and then come right back to create this very unique shaped beak. Sorry, I am like a mess today with my words. Can't draw and talk today. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back about right here, and I'm just going to draw put in two little marks right here for the nostrils. And so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame it face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, say about right here, really close, and here. And we're going to draw a slanted line. So we're just going to go to the side of our eyes, about right there. And same thing here. So really close to the eyes. I'm going to draw these two angle lines. Then from there, we're going to come out, just round it off around the beak area, and we're going to bring it in. So we're just kind of giving cheeks, and then bring it in towards the beak area, and same thing here. So go around, just like the other side. And bring it in there. So then from there, let's go up on the top right here, and we're going to round it off. So we're going to get a little bit thinner, and then towards the top, but right here, round it off, and then bring it down and connect. There. And then these brows that we need to draw at the top right here, so I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. So same thing here. There. And I think they're black, right? So I'll just come in here and shade it in. There. And I'll shade them in like that to make them look more like brows. And then at the top right here, let's just draw some feathers sticking out. Maybe two. And then from there, let's bring this down. We're going to come down to the center to create our neck. So let's bring it in bring it in. We're going to curve in and let's go down. So same thing here. Curve in and go down. There, the neck. And then we're going to come down, widen it out to draw the body. So as we draw the body, let's just bring this down. We're just going to simplify it, and we're going to go down and around. So same thing here. And let's say about right there, let's bring it down a little bit more and round it off. And connect at the bottom with a curve. There. Nice round shape right there for the body. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back to the bottom and about right here. I'm just going to add a curve and centering it. I'm going to draw another curve right there, and then we can start the feet. So let's come in about right here, an angle, and same thing here. Angle, and angle. And then on this side, I'm going to spread it out, the web feet, come out, and I'll just draw two curves and connect. Just add a little line right there, and same thing here. One and two. There, just to simplify it. And then from there, let's draw some wings. So come about right here. And I'm just going to curve down and then bring it in. Just an indication of wings. So same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag these points across. So just kind of like an angle, but then curving around the body and then bring it in. There. And then we can draw some details on the body to separate the different colors. So say about right here, I'm just going to draw some soft curves that goes around. And same thing here. And then down here as well. We're just going to use a bunch of curves to make it look like feathers and go all the way around. There. And then you can, if you like, you can do this when you're coloring, so it's not so harsh, but I'm just going to come in here, here and there, and draw some curves to give it some texture. And that is pretty much it, except I need to add a heart somewhere, huh? Let's see. Where can we add our heart? So I'll add it right here. To make this my Draw So Cute Mack Mallard from Migration. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.